In this quick video, I will present to you the features of the BOSS software, Certified Solution Partner for SolidWorks. In a single click, the auto-name feature will rename every article in your component according to its file name, followed by an incrementation. The auto-bound feature will automatically add the right bill of materials onto your drawing. Whether your component is an assembly, a sheet metal, or a weldment, BOSS will automatically add the right bill of materials with the right properties and already configured for you. BOSS will automatically treat every sheet within your drawing, but there is also the possibility to exclude some of those sheets. The Change Unit tool will allow you to quickly go from metric to imperial values, or vice versa. Using the BOSS toolbar, you can also quickly increase or reduce image quality of your components. As you might know, this has a direct impact on SolidWorks performances. The freeze bar feature will help you save tons of time opening and rebuilding SolidWorks files. As we can see, this file here takes 0.39 seconds to rebuild. After the freeze bar treatment, we are down to 0. The Ultimate Rebuild tool will find every document referenced by your active document and rebuild them. It can be used from an assembly or from a drawing. The 3-View Visibility tool will allow you to quickly correct the visibility of elements within your design tree. It will loop through every element of your design tree, and according to parameters which you have previously defined, it will show or hide each one of these elements. The Quick Complete Cleanup tool is the tool you've all been waiting for hardware components coming from places like McMaster-Carr. In a single click, the Quick Complete Cleanup tool will optimize and correct your component, making it ready to be integrated within your assembly. By using the Quick Complete Cleanup tool on a McMaster component, we can reduce its weight by about 15 to 30%. In addition, the Quick Configuration tool will correct configuration properties for you. According to options you have previously set, it will change your configuration's name, description, and decide which name should appear in the bill of materials. Modify the Scene function will simply allow you to select a scene from SolidWorks' popular scenes and apply it to every component within your assembly. In a single click, the Capture tool will frame and generate PNG or JPEG images of every component within your assembly. You can choose to include a transparent background and configure the output image quality as you would like. When starting a process on an assembly, BOSS will offer you to treat components of that assembly as well. If you do, BOSS will loop through every component and sub-component of your current assembly, and it will process them. Using BOSS's Batch tool, you can process and correct many files simultaneously. Simply select the commands you would like to apply, select the type of SolidWorks files you would like to treat, browse for your directory, select your options, and start the process. BOSS will open up every file and treat them according to your parameters. A report is also generated, letting you know if any files encountered an error. Using the Prop tool, you can add, modify, or delete custom text properties for thousands of files within minutes. Simply indicate to Props which properties you want to be processing, indicate the files you want to be processing, generate your Excel file, add new data or modify existing data, and finally push your properties to your files. In under a minute, I just modified the properties for 39 SolidWorks files. Thank you for watching. If you have any question or you would like to discover more about the BOSS toolbar, I invite you to visit our website.